Okay everyone, so in this Shopify tutorial, we're gonna learn how to add privacy policy to our Shopify store, alright? So I'm gonna make this as a drop-down menu, so we have policies, and here we're gonna add all of our terms of service, policies and things like that, alright? And also I am not a legal advisor, I'm only showing you the settings for Shopify, how to add it and things like that. So just contact a legal advisor if you need legal advice. Alright, so all we have to do now is just go to our Shopify backend. Right here we see the left sidebar. So in the left sidebar, we're gonna go all the way down to this one, settings. Click on that. In settings, we see this one, legal. Click on that. Alright, so here we have legal pages. We can go to this one, privacy policy. And in Shopify, you can click on this one, create from template, if you don't have your own privacy policy. So this will create a privacy policy that you can customize by changing some information that suits your Shopify store. So just go through all of these text and see that everything is all right. If you don't know about some legal text, just contact your legal advisor. All right. After that, when you have your privacy policy in place, we're gonna go all the way down to this one and click on save. Alright, so now we have the privacy policy in place. Now we want to add this in the main menu or in the footer menu. So to do that, we're gonna go to the left sidebar. We're gonna go down and click on online store. Now we're gonna go and click on navigation. And now you have the option to add in the footer menu or main menu or both. So I'm gonna show you how to add this in the main menu, but the same principle works in the footer menu. Alright. So I'm gonna go and click on main menu. Alright, so I have these policies where I can add a drop-down menu with my policies like privacy policy and shipping policy and things like that. So if you don't know how to add this, I'm just gonna go and delete this one, and I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm just gonna go to the left sidebar. I'm gonna go and click on pages, and I'm just gonna go and create a new page. I'm gonna name this policies, and I'm just gonna go and choose default page and click on save. Let's go back to navigation, choose main menu, and now we're gonna go and click on this one, add menu item, and go right here. We're gonna click on link, we're gonna go to pages and choose policies, like that. And this will apply this name right here as name. You can change this if you like. After that, just go down and click on add. Now we have the page for our drop-down menu. So now we want to add our privacy policy right here in policies as a drop-down menu. Just go and click on add menu item. We're gonna go to this one, add menu item. Just do the same, just click on link. Go down to this one, policies. And we're going to choose our privacy policy. Go all the way down and click on add. Alright, so now we have privacy policy. So you can have privacy policy as a main menu item, or as in our case, I'm just going to click on the 6 dots and drag it one step to the right under policies, like so. So now you can see that we have this as a drop-down menu with privacy policy. So all you have to do now is go and click on save menu, and let's go to our Shopify store, update, and now we can see that we have this drop down menu icon, and if I hover over it, we will get this privacy policy. Now I can click on privacy policy, and your customers can read about your privacy policy right here. Okay everyone, so comment below if this worked out for you. Also check out my full playlist with Shopify tutorials. And if you liked this video, subscribe for more of these tutorials. Have an awesome day, take care, and bye.